everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Nini. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's talk about Louis, the newest versions of the Sac Plat. So I went and ordered a purse. It's called the Sac Plat BB. So it's a bigger than the size petite, which in my opinion, the size petite is way too cute, but it's way too small. So I went and ordered the size BB when it came out, and here I am introducing you guys to the size BB for the Sac Plat, and I got it in the color black. Yes, again, another collection. I don't know, I didn't pay attention before like how many collection they came out in a year, but this year I start to notice, and they came out with the new collection pretty much every month. Which is crazy, seriously. But this time there are a couple of handbags that I am looking at, but on top of everything, I decided to go for the Sac Plat BB. I have saw the Sac Plat Petite in the store. I saw several different versions of it, and I, to be honest, falling in love with this. But I think the Sac Plat Petite is way too small for my lifestyle. It's really cute, but on the other hand, I don't think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it, so I just never purchased it, even though I think it's super cute. So I keep thinking one day, if the Sac Plat came out with the size a little bit bigger, then I will go for it. And now they came out with the size BB, which is I think a lot bigger than the size petite. And also it came out with epi leather. So epi is known to be the most durable leathers from LV. So it's beautiful. I just love how sturdy and the shape. Oh my god, it's just beautiful shape. On the other hand, I think it looked like a shopping bag, but it's a really cute tote. So inside it's just nothing much, just one big huge compartment, and then a zipper pocket in the back, and that's about it, nothing else. And this piece is a piece made from Italy, and it does come with a strap. I also like the strap a lot, because this strap came in the monogram canvas plus leather, so it's really soft. And I just wish, I really hope that this side, the Sac Plat BB, came out with the whole monogram bag instead of the FD. Then I will be so much happier, because let's look at the strap. It just looks so cute. This looks really nice. But I heard a lot of things about LV that they try to get rid of the monogram or something like that, or their monogram is the same price as that leather piece lately. So yes, I do love this piece, and I think this piece is super cute. It fit my lifestyle pretty much. And I love the top handle option. I always carry my handbag with the top handle most of the time. I rarely go for this strap, but I love this strap. This strap is just really beautiful, and I think it just looks so good together with the bag. Another thing I noticed about this bag though, so the inside is microfiber lining, and it's really big and spacious. So I think that we could fit a lot of stuff in here, and it will work perfectly if you decide to purchase this and make it an everyday bag. This will be the most durable bag, and also it fits so much, and it's look really good on everyday casual looking or even business looking. So I think this is really good for me if I decide to use it for everyday use. I also see that they came with the plate to hook the strap on, so it's really nice. And I like the gold hardware, I guess the black color. The only thing I think, this LV logo right here, if it came in the white, then it will be so much of a contrast, you know. So I like it so much better than with the pink color. But overall, I don't think it's look bad. It's look okay, I guess. So I just love a handbag that could hold its shape. That's why I really like this bag. And I love the size of this bag. I think it's such a perfect size. But I also think I want to try out the size PM that they have, and but I am not sure if I'm gonna get a lot of use out of that bag as well, because it's a little bit bigger. And to be honest, I think this is the right size to use for everyday use, and absolutely works so good if I decide to use it for my work bag. So whenever I use my handbag, I do not just put everything directly into the bag, because I don't want to scratch the inside of the bag, especially when the bag is lined with microfiber. I was just so afraid that it's gonna ruin the bag somehow. So whenever I use the bag, I always put it in a cosmetics pouch, or if I need an insert, I will put an insert in there. But I found that the cosmetics pouch worked perfect for me. And I got this one from Gucci's a very long time ago, couple years now, and I'm still using it. And in here, I already have a lot of stuff that I need. I have the sunglasses, I have the 6-key card holder, I have a credit card holder, the travel perfume, a lipstick, and I also have a lip balm, a pen. For some reason, I always need to carry a pen with me. So everything fit in here perfectly. Normally, I also put a travel size hand sanitizer in here, just in case that lately we need it like crazy. I literally using it way too much. Normally I put it in here too, but right now it's in some other handbag, and I'm too lazy to go wrap it. So this one, it's actually fit like perfectly in here. So this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna put it in here, and voila. So I think it's still really big. It could literally fit a lot more if it needs to be, but I tend to not overstuff my bag. I don't want to overstuff them, because again, it will be too heavy and it will be out of shape if I do so. I could also fit my phone right there. Perfect spot for the phone. The only thing about this bag is this could be, I don't know, it could be easy access to, I guess. No, not too much. So if you hold in your hands like this, I don't think anybody can put their hand through anything. And even if you put it on the table, I don't think people could also get in and out of this bag. Okay. Yep, so that is everything I am carry with me on the day-to-day basis. Sometimes I need to carry more. Like this baby right here, if I need to put in here like 2 pieces of diaper, it could literally fit in here. So yeah. Say hi. Emma, say hi. Hi. Okay, she just woke up and she looked like crazy. think on the Sac Plat BB? Do you think the style is okay? Do you think the apple leather look good on this, style? For me, I prefer this style in the monogram canvas. I think it's just gonna look so much cuter if it's in the monogram canvas. But then again, lately, I think LV doesn't come out with a lot of monogram anymore. All of their collection now is just all leather piece. And I heard there will be another price increase in September. So right now, this piece is retail for $2,360. Which to me, for a full leather piece, this is an okay price. It's not too high, but it could be a little bit lower because I think this bag is just so simple. It's just a simple looking bag for just the price. But again, another price increase will happen in September. And also lately, LV, all the monogram piece is the same price as the leather piece. So I don't know what's going on. Let's see what's happening in the future. But as of right now, I do like the size. I think the size BB works so much better for me than the size petite. But I am so curious about the size PM. I don't know how the size PM gonna look. Maybe it's gonna be too big on me. So again, I think the size PP is just a good size. But I don't think I like the black color that much. I just think the bag looks too serious. But I think it's a good work bag. So if I took this bag to work, I know that I could use it because apple leather is super durable. So that's it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching, and I would hope to see you guys again in my next video. If you haven't done so, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.